Hey guys, so it has been a minute. I am so sorry that I kind of just like disappeared, but it has been such a busy holiday season. I did not expect December to be so complicated between Lexi's school and all of the events and stuff that's happening personally, and I'm buying a house, and so many things have happened in such a short period of time that I feel like between the end of November to December, things have just like full speed ahead, and everything is finally coming to a close. I feel like by the second week of January, everything is going to be back to normal. I'm very, very excited for the new year. So yeah, so things are calming down on my side. I'm gonna be getting back up to my schedule. I'm hoping, like I said, between January, second week of January, you'll probably start seeing more videos coming up, and towards the end of January, we'll be back to normal. So I am going to be pre-filming and having some videos ready for you guys, and hopefully you'll not notice too much, but yeah. Today I was actually in the middle of getting ready to film my favorites for the year, but I've had so much PR come in that I haven't even been able to open from some amazing makeup brands that I have not even been able to showcase on the channel because I've been just so busy. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys some cool products that have been sent to me. So today's going to be like an old school PR haul, mostly to show you guys some cool things that are out on the market that were sent to me, and I think that maybe you'll be interested in seeing as well. So that's what we're doing today. Of course, if you're not subscribed, don't forget to hit subscribe. I promise things will be more normal next year. And yeah, let's get into it. I'm gonna start with this guy down here. So now this is one of my bigger PR boxes from Collidos, and this was such an amazing package. So they actually sent this to me, I feel like it's already been like probably the beginning of December. It's their entire new collection. Look how beautiful the packaging. So we have this beautiful eyeshadow palette. Then there is all of these lip products. I believe that these are lip liners or eyeliners. What are these? Are these eyeliners? Oh yeah, look how cool. So these are like jelly cool eyeliners in a bunch of different like psychedelic colors. This is really, really cool. Actually, I need to play with this collection. I believe that this is one that I'll probably just do a whole video on, doing like some really cool looks. But yeah, so there's 3 different ones here. Oh gosh, there's more. Okay, so there's there's 5 of them. Yeah, look at this one. This is like a green color. This is a really fun collection. I actually feel like this is gonna really be great for springtime. We also got in here this right here. I'm not even sure what it is. Activate Eye Makeup Full Potential. So this is probably an eyeshadow primer. It is. So it looks like this, and it's called the Tone Activator. Very, very cool. And we've got some bigger boxes here, which are, I think these are the contour palettes. I believe that there was gonna be contour palettes in this collection. Is it? Yes, you see here's the contour palette. So this is probably the lighter one. Really pretty. I love Kaleido's packaging. They have such an interesting, very modern, heavy duty packaging. It's just really, really cool. Actually, I think there's 3 shades. So this is probably the medium one, is it? Yes, this is medium. This one, so this is probably the deep one. Yes, it is. Look how beautiful that is. These 3, these are probably blushes, I would assume. Are they? No, these are powders. So what is this? This is the Symphony Face Illuminating. This is the medium. Nice. So this is the tan. And here is the light. So yeah, that's really cool. So I'm excited to try those out. You guys, I don't know if we could still do old-fashioned like giveaways. I don't know if people are still doing them anymore because they started like putting those what's up spammers. So I mean, I have a lot of makeup I would love to give away, but I just don't know if we can do it. So then there's this gorgeous purple one. Oh, that is so stunning. I really like that one. So we got those 2 eyeshadow palettes that look great. Another one, oh my God, there is so many eyeliners. So this is gonna be really cool. So there's like almost every color of the rainbow here, but it looks like there's even a pink one, there's a green one. Like, that is really fun. I'm really hoping these are good. Let's just do a little. Ooh, that is so cool. It actually is reflective. That is really neat. Okay, I'm really excited for these. So these eye crayons look incredible. incredible. I don't even know if this is from this collection, but this might be from their older collection. This is the Apple Glaze Lip Mask, so a lip mask. And I think that comes to the end of the PR package from Collidos. So if you guys can see what a spectacular package this was. Oh my gosh, so many beautiful things that I really need to try on camera, and I just can't wait. I am very impressed with these eyeliners though. I think that that's gonna be like the star. So then we've got a box here. This is the first time that I've ever gotten PR from Milk Makeup. So Milk actually sent me over this really cool bag. So I was really excited to be contacted by Milk. They sent over this little bag of goodies. So in here we have the Hydro Grip Primer, which I think you guys know. This is like their famous primer. Everybody talks about this, so I'm really excited to try this one out. I've actually never tried it, so that's gonna be really fun. They also sent over their Hydro Ungrip Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm. So that is something I can definitely get some use out of. I actually just ran out of my cleansing balm, so I need to replace it, so that's gonna be great. So we have here the Kush Clear Brow Gel. Ooh, a brow gel. I'm actually interested in trying this right now. I actually didn't even put brow gel on today, and I was wanting to put a clear one on, and I didn't have anything clear. So let's see how this is. Ooh, nice. Okay, I think I could like this one. What do you guys think? That looks pretty cool. Okay, so that is the Kush eyebrow gel. They also sent their outer space what? Eyeliner. Is this an eyeliner? Ooh, it is. Intensify Outer Space. This is like a black eyeliner. Ooh, I love black. Okay, cool. Then we've got here two of these have to be like their little blushes, their little cheek blushes. Very cool. Two colors. We've got Work and Quickie. And then finally they sent over their Kush mascara. So that is everything that Milk Makeup sent over. So thank you so much to Milk Makeup. I am going to definitely be playing with those products. Share with you guys Ipsy. So every month I get an Ipsy bag, and I typically put them up on Instagram, but I will show you guys what I got. I believe this is the December box. I don't even know anymore. I think this is December, but look how pretty this is. Cute little package here. A product from First Aid Beauty. We also have here a Sophia Mabel. This looks like a lip oil. We have a lip liner. And then there is a Rose Tea Eye Cream, as well as a Milk Makeup Rise Mascara. So another mascara from Milk. Then it looked like we had some cool stuff here. So MOTD, some really nice brushes. What I like about Ipsy lately is they're giving a lot of brushes. This is cute. The Serve Chilled Rosé Sheet Mask. So some sheet mask. That's cool. Then inside of here, there is the Quick Stick. This is the Shadow and Liner from Tarte. The Ciate the Velvet Palette. I feel like I have this one. I do. I had this palette before. So that's really nice. Another subscription box actually gave this to me. And we also have here from Kate Burek. This is the Vitamin Intense Face Cream. Hooray. I think this is the Christmas bag. Is it? December. This was the December bag. So yeah, a bunch of really cute little things came in the Ipsy for this month. I think I liked November's box just a tad bit better than December's. Ooh, this is a good one, guys. Oh my gosh. So Essence sent me over this. I actually had to hide this from Lexi. Because once she saw this, I wasn't even going to be able to show you guys because she was going to go right after it. So this is actually from Catrice. Sorry, Catrice. So this is the Villains collection. Oh my goodness. This is the coolest. Like, they sent me every single one. We've got Maleficent. Oof. That's what it looks like. Oh my God. I really think this is such a beautiful collection. Then we have the Queen of Hearts. Look at that one. Look how cool. This is really cool. Cruella, like Cruella DeVille. Look at that. If you guys hear Wesley barking in the background, so sorry, but it's having a little fit. And then from Catrice also, there is this. Look at that. This is like a highlighting palette, is it? Yes, look how beautiful. So this is the Maleficent highlighting palette. Gorgeous. And then also there was this one from Cruella, and this is the Cruella highlighting palette. Look at that. Wow, look at that. Ooh, they look like they're going to be good. And then inside of here, there's also some stuff from Essence. So there is the Villains Essence, and this is the blush with Ursula on it. Oh my goodness, doesn't that kind of remind you a little bit of like Charlotte Tilbury, right? The boob blush. Oh. Then we have, what else do we have in here? Oh, so we have the Villains, the Evil Queen. This is another blush. Cool. The Maxi blush. Okay, so then we have some palettes from Essence. So this is the Evil Queen eyeshadow palette. This is the Essence one. So cool. I'm telling you, such a beautiful collection. This is Ursula from Essence. Look at that. And then finally, Scar. Ooh, ooh, I like Scar. Look how cool that is. Ooh, I like that one. So, so, so pretty. So yeah, I definitely need to use some of these on camera. Ooh, there's also these. Liquid highlighters from Catrice. I wonder if these are dupes for Charlotte Tilbury. Yeah, thanks so much to Essence and Catrice for this amazing package. So then, actually, Pixie sent over 2 PR packages. One I got today and one I actually had. So this one here is from Pixie, and they sent over some glow tonics. Oh my goodness, I was so excited for this one. So Lawless sent me my first PR package. I've actually never gotten a package from Lawless or Milk Makeup, so this was a pretty cool PR month. So this is what they sent me. I almost gasped when I saw this because you guys know I love the Forget the Filler. So they sent me a new Forget the Filler. I guess this is their new flavor, and it's the cherry vanilla, and they sent me these cool glasses. So I have the Lawless Forget the Filler Overnight Lip Plumping Mask, as well as the new Forget the Filler. So this is the best lip gloss in the world. And these glasses are kind of fun. But yeah, so they sent that over, and yeah, it was really, really cool. I cannot wait to play with these because I know I already love this, and I actually got PR from Lawless. That was pretty cool. So Merit sent me over this. So this is from Merit Beauty. They actually sent me this product. I have not tried it yet, but it's called the Great Skin Instant Glow Serum. Look how fancy. Really, really nice, fancy little glass, expensive looking container. Yeah, I want to try this. Very cool. Nice little serum. Let me put it over here so I do not drop and break it. I also got this right here from Ulla Hendrickson. They sent over their Strength Trainer Peptide Boost Moisturizer. Very interesting. So that's what it looks like from Ulla Hendrickson. And I've never tried a peptide boost moisturizer before, so that should be interesting. Today, I actually just got this in the mail. So this just came today from Pixie. So this is another PR from Pixie, and this is makeup, which I'm so excited for. I love the makeup PR from Pixie. We have 2 eye lift masks. These are extreme longwear liquid shadows. I am really excited for these. They look so cool looking. So I don't know, Pixie always does such cool stuff. So let's see. Looks like that. I mean, doesn't really do too much, but I'm excited to see what that does. It's these 2. Then I really, really love this. So they gave me another eyeliner. I love their eyeliners. This is the Silky Eye Pencil. Very cool. The Vitamin C Brightening. This is their lip balm. I've actually used this one a few times, and it's actually pretty good. Then a face primer. Have I ever used a Pixie face primer? I don't think I have. I don't think I have, but I'm very excited to try that. And this is really cool. So I didn't know, or I've never seen Pixie's mascara. I don't think I've ever tried a mascara from Pixie, and they sent me over their mascara if I can get it out of the container. Look how beautiful this is, though. Look at this one. So this we've gotten, this is Honey Nectar. This is their Nuisance Quartet. I believe I already have this one, but that is so pretty. And the last thing is the mascara, which I'm going to have to pry out of this because it is like glued in so tight that I cannot even take it out. So we're gonna have to dig it out. So then from Pop Beauty, so Pop Beauty sent over their Pop Frizz Jelly Cleanser. So I didn't know Pop Beauty had skincare. This is the Extra Zing Z-Shot Vitamin C Serum. Here we have the Pop C Serum. This is a moisturizer. At the bottom here we have the Peeling Zing Exfoliating Gel. Nice little skincare products from Pop Beauty. And then finally I got this package from Good Molecules, and I believe, yeah, this is their sunscreen. So this is their Sheer Minerals Sunscreen SPF. So I think that was it. If not, I hope I have shown you guys some of the other PRs that has come in. But like I said, stuff has been coming in and I've been so behind. So I wanted to show you guys a gist of a lot of the stuff that I have gotten new. Some of the stuff you are going to be seeing me incorporate on the channel. I'll probably have it up on TikTok. I'll also have it up on Instagram. So definitely don't forget to follow me on those platforms. And yeah, get ready for some fun new content coming in 2023. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video, and let me know down below which of these products do you want me to try out first? What kind of videos do you want to see with me using them? And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.